Hello everyone and welcome back to the Belgian Beer Brothers channel. Cedric here in Antwerp with another brew review today because I have been neglecting everything but the reviews. Today we are having an unboxing because it was mail day, so bear with me for a second. Now, full disclosure, this is not sponsored. I did in fact order this, but I am still very eager to find out what's in here, because except for one or two items I completely forgot. So now, as you can see, this is by Brewery Vandestreek in Utrecht, and the fun thing is that this box tells me that they reuse or reuse their boxes, because this is a box of one of their beers, the amazing. And I absolutely like when a business reuses their boxes, or anything for that matter. Okay, very neatly packaged. I have to applaud that, because in this day and age that is something rare. First off, yeah, this was on my list for quite a while. I haven't had a plaid shirt for years, and this is a blue one instead of a red one. I like that. This is the Vandestreek Brewery plaid shirt. I like the label here: work hard, plaid hard. So, small logo in the front and in the back. A very decent size logo. Also feels very soft, I like. So probably quite warm, and since we are entering the fall season, I also very much like that they added some case candy, some beer mats or coasters, some stickers, and I am a sucker for stickers. And this large sticker, which is also a flyer for their hop harvest. So the Fresh Hop Festival on the 18th of October. Unfortunately, I cannot attend. I wish, but I do appreciate the sticker slash flyer. Now, I wouldn't be me if I didn't want a glass. So I did order het vaasje, or het boerke as we say, because I already have so many fancy executive glasses. I did not know about this little rim in here. I have questions. So let's put this right here. And actually, to fill up the box, I ordered some extra beers. Let's start with those. First off, the Vandestreek Risky Business, and this is an imperial stout aged in tawny port and red wine barrels. That sounded quite good to me, so Risky Business it is. And then two from the same family. Let's start with the yellow one. This is het kalf. Yeah, a calf. This is a young cow, but the film festival in the Netherlands award a golden calf, a golden little cow, as a film award. This is the blonde one. I think this is a 6.5. Yeah, 6.5%. And we also have the alcohol-free version. So this is the Calf 0.5. I thought it would be a fun thing to pit those against each other. And then we get to the essence of what is in this box. Vandestreek X, the Barrel Collab Series 2023. These are 6 barrel-aged collab beers from Vandestreek in Utrecht with different breweries throughout Europe. There's a nice list in here. We got the cans right here. Yeah, just to give you an idea, there is a 12% triple black IPA aged in cognac barrels. There's a 9.1% barley wine in bourbon barrels. There is a 9.6% imperial sour aged in white wine barrels, and this is actually the one that caught my attention. There is a Baltic porter with 12.5% ABV aged in Islay whiskey barrels, and this is the second one that got my attention because a good friend of mine and a fellow board member is Polish, and he's very big on the Baltic Porter Day every year. He knows a lot of Polish brewers. We actually did a lecture about it. Yeah, so for some reason Baltic Porter caught my attention. La Pirata makes a Imperial Rye Stout with Speyside whiskey barrels to age in, 12.1%. And last but definitely not least, very curious for this one, is a Red Quadruple. So I'm quite curious what they mean by Red Quadruple. And this is an 11.8% aged in red wine barrels. And I like wine barrels to age in. I know cognac and whiskey and bourbon, they're all awesome, don't get me wrong, but been there, done that. And these days, if everyone is doing it, you have to really make something awesome to stand out. And aging in wine barrels is probably a bit harder, don't get me wrong on that one, but it is very interesting, and it is not yet a very common practice. So I'll probably make a week out of this. Bear in mind that we also have a advent calendar coming up, and maybe something else from Vandestreek as well, so who knows. To be continued. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. This is a short one. I also forgot a beer to accompany me. So let's just quit here. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment down below if you have any questions or suggestions. If you want to see more, subscribe, hit the bell icon. You'll get notified whenever I upload something, for example, these reviews. And if you want to support this channel, share a video or visit the Patreon page, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers!